Try to imagine the most sustainable air filter. How does it look like? Is it made of responsibly sourced materials? Or maybe the components are bio-based and renewable? Or do you think about a filter that will biodegrade after it has served its function? All these may contribute to a more sustainable air filter, but only to some extent. Because for air filters, the biggest part of climate footprint comes from using the filter and its energy consumption. Interestingly, it's not the filter itself, but the fan that consumes energy by pushing the dirty air towards and through the filter. This is why a sustainable filter is the one that has the highest energy class or consumes the least energy. The emission of CO2 during the use of a filter is related to two aspects: said energy consumption of a filter and a source of electrical energy. For example, energy from coal or gas will cause higher carbon footprint of your filter. But what if you're already using a filter with lowest energy consumption and the energy source is wind or water? What else we can do to make a filter sustainable? Often filters with higher particle removal efficiency also have a higher energy consumption. So it may be tempting to choose a filter with low filtration efficiency class to save some kilowatt hours. Remember that this only sounds good, because sacrificing on filtration efficiency in the name of lower energy consumption will bring unwanted effects. For the first, the comfort and well-being of people spending time in poorly filtrated rooms will be affected. Moreover, if the air passing through your HVAC system is still full of particles, the dust can accumulate on the heating or cooling coil or on the fan, which will cause more losses of energy for these processes. More dust in the HVAC system also means more maintenance. That costs not only money but also energy spent on the cleaning of the ducts and other HVAC elements. Every air filter has its own due date, meaning that it has to be replaced after it has reached its end of life. This will of course generate waste. So how about extending the filter's life by keeping it longer in the HVAC system? This may be a good idea, but only if the filter is capable to hold large amount of dusts at relatively low pressure drop. If not, a dirty filter will cause higher energy consumption and reduced filtration efficiency. Sustainable filters must be designed in a way to maintain low energy consumption throughout its entire operation. With air filters, sustainability is a complex topic. The filter that looks sustainable on the outside does not always provide the highest reduction of its climate impact. What is the most important is to always look at the entire lifetime of the filter. So address the energy consumption first, to later look at other characteristics that will further reduce the filter's footprint.